Welcome to a Family Travel Go 360 video. In this video, we will be exploring Paradise Beach in Cozumel, Mexico. So take a look around in 360 degrees. If you have problems watching in 360, I have a how-to video down in the description. You can do this with a phone, a computer, or even a VR headset. If you notice I might be talking in some parts of this video, there is also a vlog version that is non-360 if you want to learn more about Paradise Beach. But this video is just to show you it in 360 degrees. So check it out, have fun. Thanks for watching another Family Travel Go 360 video. If you liked it, please hit that like button down below. If you have any comments or anything you'd like to say, we'd love to chat. Leave us a comment down there also. And if you want to see more 360 videos, vlogs, drone videos, travel videos, tips, go ahead and hit subscribe. We post new content all the time, and we'd really love your support. If you want to learn more about Paradise Beach, we do have a vlog up. And we also have a written article over at familytravelgo.com. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next trip.